What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life. As you can see, we got something different on the channel today. Now, shout out to Godox. It's a really quality company. They do a lot of lighting and audio. They sent your boy out the Cube SC. Now, this is a wireless microphone set. As you can see, it comes with 2 microphones and a base to plug into your Android device, your iPhone device, to get some really good audio, because now we got these devices that get really good video already. So at this point, especially for a content creator, this may be one of the top accessories for a flagship device. Take a look at the back. As you can see, you can do 48 hertz, 24 bits. You got 300 meters of distance. Take a look at the side, and as you can see, you have 2 small microphones, and you have the base that you'll just plug in to your device. And we just open it up like so, and we present it with a case. Get the case out, and we got that Godox branding on here. Very nice carrying case for you to keep some nice little microphones so you get some great audio on that. Nice touch, and it's got a little handle right here. Now we take a look in the inside, what we got going on here, guys. Now, guys, this has to be one of the neatest systems on the market, because if you can see, it's just a tube, but this little compact tube pretty much holds everything that you need. Now, if you listen, it just pops out like so. See, got the lights to let you know it's charged up. Slide it out like so, and you blessed with the whole microphone system and one small tube. Nice Godox branding. Everything is plastic but feels really quality and premium. Now, this is what you plug into the bottom of your smartphone. As you can see, is a Type-C adapter, and you get 2 of these very nice little lightweight microphones. So even if you wanted to record a podcast with 2 people, can have 2 mics going, 1 smartphone, get some good video and get some quality audio. Also, in the Godox pouch, what you're going to get is a necklace for the microphone. Also, you get clips for the microphone so you could clip it to your shirt. And these accessories are magnetic. And you also get a windshield. And the magnetic strength is really nice, so you don't have to worry about it falling. Really nice, strong magnetic fixture. I went ahead and hooked the microphone up with the windshield and the clip, because I like to clip it to my shirt or clip it to a little pin, and then I can just start to get some great quality audio. As you can see, plug the adapter into your Type-C smartphone, really easy. Hit a button and it pairs directly to both of the microphones, or you can use one microphone at a time. So now I'm going to give you an example of the audio. Okay, so this is a little example of what you could do with a wireless mic like this from Godox, guys. I like to do this little interview style type thing where I just hook it to a pin. As you can see, I got the windscreen on there so I could get the best audio. I'm using one of my flagship devices. I'm actually using my Pixel 9 Pro XL. And this device has a strong selfie camera. So at the same time, while I'm getting my message out, I can see myself in frame, things of that nature. But what puts it over the top is this audio, guys. I know I could be up to 300 meters away from this device and getting this same consistent audio. So if you like on TikTok, if you're on Instagram, if you're doing things of that nature, if you're going live, or you just want to record some videos and have some really good quality audio for a budget price, this is something that you could definitely try out. But this is the Godox Cube SC, a nice wireless mic solution. If you want to check it out, I'll put a link down in the description. Shout out to Godox for sending this out. It's your boy BG Tech Life. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. I'm out. Peace.